we are happy to announce the release of our much-awaited custom player feature. There are an array of customizations possible and more will be released soon. I am listing all the customizations possible now, and then I will also explain on how to integrate any new designed player in your website or application. First is toggle on and off controls or buttons. Each control can be switched on or off. For example, player timeline, speed change, subtitles, etc. And all such controls are customizable. Color change. The color change is applicable to player timeline and play button. Speed change options can be customized as well. Skip duration can be customized like 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Controls to move inside settings icon. You can set certain controls to move inside a single setting icon to save space. Show replay at end. Enable keyboard shortcuts. And keyboard shortcuts can be seen by right-clicking here on the player. Enable lock controls. This is applicable for applications. Lastly, we have enable AirPlay. You can create multiple themes, but only one theme can be default for one account. But you can use different themes with different embed codes, thus using multiple player themes for your use case. Chapters over video is also possible, and it is a part of the video edit property and not custom player property. You can access it by going to the edit or the pen icon below any video and then to chapters section. Minimum player SDK version required for chapters to show up is written below. Our old customers might need to upgrade the player, API or SDK. New customers won't need to do anything. Now comes the integration of custom player. Each player is identified by an ID. This is added to an embed code or player SDK. It is also possible to use the player without changing code if you are applying universally to all embedded videos. This is called making it default. When made default, that player is applied to all videos without making any change. This is not just on the web. It can also be used to customize the looks of video players on your mobile apps. It can be used in native Android, iOS, React Native, and Flutter using our SDKs for the respective platforms. Documentation for all kind of integration is shown here. iframe and API embed for website, WordPress, Android native app, iOS native app, React native app, Flutter app. If you are using WordPress or APIs to integrate, you can make a single change for all videos. But if you are an old customer who used iframe from before the 1st of September 2022, then you will need to regenerate iframe for the new player and customizations to work. Please send us your queries to support@VdoCipher.com and we will help you get the customizations and integrations right. Upcoming features. Currently, there is a certain fixed structure or core theme to the video player elements. We will provide 2 or 3 more new design or themes in near future. Thanks for watching the video.